बोलो रे, मैं बोलो।
मैं खाना खाने वाला था।
मैं खाना खाने वाला था। इसका 6 बनाना है। आई वॉज टू ईट फूड। आई वॉज नॉट टू ईट फूड। Was I to eat food? Was I not to eat food? Why was I eat? Why was I to eat food? Why was I not to eat food?
आप अपना घर बेचने को थे।
आप अपना घर बेचने को थे। You were to sell your house. You were not to sell your house. वर यू, वेयर को वर भी बोलते हैं, समझ में आया ना? वर बोलो या वेयर बोलो। वर यू टू सेल योर हाउस? वर यू नॉट टू सेल योर हाउस? वाई वर यू टू सेल योर हाउस? वाई वर यू नॉट टू सेल योर हाउस?
वह आने वाली थी।
वह आने वाली थी। शी वाज टू कम। शी वाज नॉट टू कम। वाज शी टू कम? Was she not to come? Why was she to come? Why was she not to come?
हम लोग वहाँ जाने को थे।
हम लोग वहाँ जाने को थे। We were to go there. We were not to go there. Were we to go there? Were we not to go there? Why were to go there? Why were not to go there?
गाड़ी आने वाली थी।
गाड़ी आने वाली थी। तो जब भी कहेगा ना गाड़ी आने वाली थी तो द ट्रेन लगाना। क्या लगाना? खरीदने के बारे में कहने कहेगा ना तो कार लगाना। समझ में आ गया? ट्रेन खरीद नहीं सकता, खरीदता नहीं है ट्रेन। समझ गया? फिर से बोलो।
गाड़ी आने वाली थी।
गाड़ी आने वाली थी। The train was to come. The train was not to come. Was the train to come? Was the train not to come? Why was the train to come? Why was the train not to come?
वह अपना भैंस बेचने वाला था।
भैंसे बेच देगा। वह अपना भैंस बेचने वाला था। He was to sell his buffalo. He was not to sell his buffalo. Was he to sell his buffalo? Was he not to sell his buffalo? Why was he to sell his buffalo? Why was he not to sell his buffalo?
वे लोग गाना गाने को थे।
वे लोग गाना गाने को थे। They were to sing a song. They were not to sing a song. Were they to sing a song? Were they not to sing a song? Why were they to sing a song? Why were they not to sing a song?
वह स्कूल पहुंचने वाला था।
वह स्कूल पहुंचने वाला था। He was to arrive school. He was not to arrive school. Was he to arrive school? Was he not to arrive school? Why was he to arrive school? Why was he not to arrive school?
लड़कियां नाचने वाली थी।
लड़कियां नाचने वाली थी। The girls were to dance. The girls were not to dance. Were the girls to dance? Were the girls not to dance? Why were the girls to dance? Why were the girls not to dance?
लड़के कूदने वाले थे।
लड़के कूदने वाले थे। The boys were to jump. The boys were not to jump. Were the boys to jump? Were the boys not to jump? Why were the boys to jump? वाई वर द बॉयज नोट टू जंप। खत्म हो गया ना, सबका सब सही हुआ। हाँ चलो आगे बढ़े।